Our topic for today is about bakit may bayad ang training. Hi guys, we're here at the streets of Russia, and I want to discuss about why is there a P in the training. So we just finished our presentation, our business presentation in the City Hall, and many people ask me, why is there a P in the training? So I have here some of my friends that they will give their insights about this topic. Here is a former basurero. His name is Jedi, and he looks like a Shokoy. Come here. Jedi, why is there a P in the training?
Hello, I'm Jedi. And bakit may bayad yung training? Kasi una, para magkaroon ng value. Yung pakikinig mo, tsaka talagang magno-notes ka. Kasi po yung ibang marami na ako naatinan na pag libre lang, nakikinig lang, lumilipad yung isip kasi walang bayad. Pero yung may bayad talaga na yung tipong naglabas talaga ng pera galing sa bulsa nila, binibigyan nila ng value, talagang nagno-notes, talagang yung tipong yung ibang nakikinig, pag nandun na sa presentation, hindi na bumababa kahit ihina. Kasi bakit may bayad yun, tsaka binigyan talaga nila ng value para makinig talaga sila. So yun yung mas maganda talaga na may bayad yung training. And then makakatulong din naman para sa atin lahat. And then para yung iba rin matuto rin magsulat. Kasi yung iba may kinig lang pero hindi naman ina-apply. Mas maganda talaga nakasulat, and then yun yung pinaka greatest impact. Ayan, thank you.
Okay, so our next person for today, he is a former rugby boy, and he is now a networker, and his name is TJ.
So yun. Bale, may bayad yung training kasi. So, kung training lang naman na kailangan mo, why not? Bayaran mo na lang, bigyan mo ng value kasi naglabas ka nga ng pera tulad ng investment mo. So, kumbaga maiisip mo talaga na kailangan mong gawin yung business mo. So, sa training, pag may bayad siya, maiisip mo din na kailangan mong gawin yung assignments, kailangan mong panoorin, kailangan mong i-apply kung anong nasa training na yun. So, yun lang, apps.
Okay. Thank you for that useless information. So, ang gusto kong ituro sa inyo ngayon is about the law of value exchange. Yun nga, bakit may bayad ang training? Actually, yung basic trainings walang bayad. Pero, yung mga advanced trainings, kung gusto mo kumita ng mas malaki, kailangan yung advanced trainings ang attenan mo. And bakit ito may bayad? Let's say for example, na mayaman kang tao. Okay? And then meron kang cancer. Meron dalawang klase ng doktor. Yung una is volunteer doctor siya. And yung pangalawa is a world-renowned doctor na sobrang galing niya mag-treat ng cancer. Kung meron kang pera, saan ka pupunta? Siyempre, doon sa alam mo world-renowned doctor, kahit na mahal yung bayad. Kasi alam mo, buhay mo nakasalalay. Ang binayaran mo sa doktor na yon ay yung uniform niya, yung 10 to 15 years of study niya, mga libro niya, experience niya, time niya, yung pagod niya, puyat, di ba? Lahat yun yung binabayaran mo dito. And sabi nga nila, and related to sa last week's topic ko, yung walang kapital. Kung hindi nakikita ng tao ang value ng training, hindi siya mag-enroll. So, lipat lang tayo dahil masasagasaan na kami. So, yun nga, pinagkakaguluhan na ako dito. Hindi po ako si Jay Cuenca. That's it for today. Ako dati, pupunta pa ako ng Manila para lang mag-attend ng training. Isipin mo yun, gumagastos pa ako ng pamasahe, hotel, because I know the value. Pero, yung gastos ko, mas malaki yung kinita ko. So that's it for today, and hopefully may nakuha kayo dito. Remember to like my Facebook page for more tips. Facebook.com/JohnJesterChing. Thank you.